Happy Monday! It's Memorial Day, so thank you to everyone who has served the country, lost their lives for our freedom, all of that. Are you getting into trouble? I just heard noises, and noises around that one means trouble. Don't steal Oliver's food. What's out there? Oh, is there another bird out there? It's cute. Speaking of birds. Okay, good. It wasn't, I almost thought it was zoomed in at like 20x. Anyway, speaking of birds, yesterday I actually got a picture of two birds. Several pictures with one bird in one picture and another bird in another picture. I will post those right now. And along with those birds, I actually caught some pictures of a bee, and it's actually pretty cute. So here's that. So I wanted to share those. I forgot to mention them yesterday, but I was up on the top deck and I ran to get my camera and luckily got those pictures, which I think are pretty cute. So right now I am not going crazy busy, but still got stuff to do because a book released today. I think I mentioned that yesterday. That I'm publicist for, and I am doing lots of things with that, which is exciting. So yeah, I just have to show how pretty these are. Like, I'm not a flower person, but I can appreciate the purple on the green. Joker colors. So yeah, I think those are pretty cool. I don't know. Anyway, that's my little update for now. And my battery's dying, so I should go charge that. I just found Murphy's new spot. I had no idea he was up here. Really? Were you sleeping? I'm so sorry. Am I blinding you? Well, I woke him up. See? Well, aw, you gonna give Murphy kisses? Give him kisses! I've never seen Murphy up there before, so that was just funny. I just finished reading my second book of the day. Well, this one was a novella, but it was still amazing. It's actually another one I'm a publicist for. So the one that released today is about football, kind of, and the one that releases next month is about geeky convention spies. I think I've covered all my bases with my first two books. Well, they're not my first two books, but my the most recent two books. So it's just so funny. So I've English. I've just been reading, and hold on. Someone looks way too cute sleeping. Yes, you. Do you do anything other than sleep? Apparently that is a no. Well, that's it for me today. I almost started another book, but I'd rather go to sleep semi-early because I have more work to do tomorrow, and I don't want to stay up all night again. So I will see you in the morning. Good night.